Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Yatt. Today I'm here to show you guys how I installed this beautiful Yatt wig. You guys, my client came with her hair already colored and her wig was colored as well. So as you can see, I'm just going in to braid her hair, and then what I did was after I braided her hair, I just added some essential oils, to keep her scalp hydrated and not dry. So after doing that, I just went in and applied the wig. So you guys, I won't be doing too much of a talking, but as you can see, this color is giving autumn vibes, and it matches her skin tone. The wig is actually very soft and easy to style. It was very easy to curl as well. So yes, you guys, stay tuned and like and subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below, you guys.